Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Begin by lightly sketching the basic outline of the car. Focus on capturing its powerful, low-slung profile and the distinctive long hood. Next, define the main body lines and the positions for the large wheel arches. This initial framework is crucial for maintaining correct proportions throughout your drawing process. Take your time to get these foundational shapes right. Now, let's refine the front and sides. Carefully draw the aggressive front grille and the sleek, narrow headlights that give the ZL1 its intense gaze. Move to the sides, adding the functional side vents and the pronounced, muscular fender flares. Don't forget to define the distinct window shapes and the clean, sharp lines of the doors. These details bring the car to life and emphasize its sporty character. Next, focus on the powerful wheels and the rear section. Sketch the large, multi-spoke performance wheels and the wide tires, ensuring they fit within the arches. Then, draw the distinctive rear spoiler and the signature taillight design. Once these elements are in place, gently erase any initial guide lines. Now, refine all the contours and edges, making them crisp and clean for a polished look. For the final touches, let's add depth and realism to your Camaro ZL1. Apply shadows and highlights to create a three-dimensional effect, paying attention to the curves and angles of the body. Use varying line weights to emphasize key details and give your drawing a professional finish. Remember to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Keep practicing, and your drawings will continue to improve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.